What's up, guys?
What's happening?
So, since everybody's in the buying mood lately, it seems like.
Yeah, I'd say.
Aaron got his wife something new.
Yep. Got her a 6.7 liter powerstroke.
I'm a little jealous.
Yeah.
So.
It's all good. Yours faster.
But yeah, so we're gonna take a look at it. He's had it for about a week now, but very nice truck. So we're gonna do a little walk around on it now, and some of the things he's got planned to doing to it and whatnot.
Yep. All kinds of good things coming.
Ta-da!
2013 F250. Pearl white Lariat.
That's where I get jealous. I wish mine was black interior.
Probably dark in there. I have to get it in there so you can see.
Yeah, I probably have to wait for the camera to focus.
Yeah.
All right, maybe you guys might be able to see now. Sunroof. Oh, got the car seat in there.
Yeah, oh yeah. Gotta have the car seat for the wife, for the kid. This is a Lariat Ultimate Package.
Oh, God dang it, Nick. That's cool. Got the lock.
Got the little safe there. It's pretty much power everything. Yeah, literally power everything.
I don't know if you guys see, but he's got a sticker already on it.
It's stealth.
Already got
a B&W hitch, so I just took the fifth wheel companion out of the dually of mine. Dropped it in here so we can do the fifth wheel with it.
Sweet. Very clean.
Just had it detailed last week for Valentine's Day for the wife. You guy did a pretty good job on it.
What are these, 20-inch rims?
Yep, 20s, baby.
Oh, man.
It's got some bumps and bruises as expected with any used truck, but overall it's in pretty good shape. We got some plans for it. Gonna install a 50-gallon Titan fuel tank. We already had the windows tinted, so that's nice to protect us from the sun.
So you got the windows tinted. Oh, yeah. There you go.
It's nice, you know.
And so you're saying you're putting a...
You're gonna put a 50-gallon Titan fuel tank underneath it. The truck comes with a 26-gallon factory tank, and after driving for about a week, it's not gonna be enough. 26 gallons really doesn't get you very far. I know, you know, the short beds had 27s and the 6.0s, 6.4s, so they really didn't drop the fuel capacity. But with my dually that I have, I'm used to like 68, 70, I think 73 gallon of fuel capacity. 26 ain't gonna do it.
He's not joking. He's got to have a bunch of fuel on this truck for some reason.
I hate stopping for fuel. So that way the wife can drive almost a solid 2 weeks without even having to think about getting fuel. So that'll make it nice. Less time for her to sit at the pump. Just safer, you know. Less time she has to stop with the kids in the car and everything else. It'll be nice for long trips towing the fifth wheel also.
Sweet. I wonder if this camera's going to pick up this pearl white paint job though.
I don't know.
Focus. Don't know if it's focusing, but I like the pearl paint job though. It looks nice.
It's something a little different from just plain white. I mean, I'm not against white, but something about the pearl just makes it a little nicer. So we got the Titan 50-gallon replacement fuel tank going in it, and the other thing is Airlift's auto level system with 7500 XL bags are going to go in it. Because with the leveling kit and being a 250, it's built for ride quality. It's not built for towing like the dualies are that I have. So I don't want to be squatting and be that guy going down the highway with fifth wheel. So, yeah.
It's fun though, bro.
No. So
cool.
we're gonna have videos coming up of that. That'll be kind of nice. You know, we can show you some of the installs on some of that stuff. The Titan fuel tank, I already ordered it. Should be here in the next couple days. I believe on Monday actually. So
Sweet.
when it comes out of the truck, we'll get this thing up on the lift and
Yeah,
get it going.
He'll get some videos for you guys.
Heck yeah. Give you a quick rundown of install on it. Looks pretty straightforward, so we'll see.
That'll be sweet.
All right, guys.
Later.
Hey guys, so we got a little different project for you today. We got 2013 F-250 6.7 Power Stroke. We have a Titan 51-gallon fuel tank for it. It's a replacement tank, so I pulled the original out, which is like 26 gallons. Doesn't really gain very many miles. I mean, you're 280 miles, and this thing's ready for a fill-up again. That's not gonna work. We gotta make some room. So instead of putting one in the bed, because it's a short bed, we're gonna put a 51-gallon replacement fuel tank from Titan. Pretty nice. I've heard a lot of good things on YouTube and some of the forums. So we're gonna check this thing out and see what it's all about. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we got the skid plate off. We got both straps off. They attach real easy, just some bolts. Now we're trying to get this wiring undone. It's got a little safety clip here. Right there, if you can kind of see it. They're not easy to get off. Let me grab a screwdriver real quick. Pocket screwdriver. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you can. I'm just gonna get up in here, pop this little lock tab off. Sometimes they go easy. This truck's been out in dirt its whole life, so we don't expect it to be really easy. But it'd be nice if it was easier than this. There it goes. Takes a little force sometimes, but once you get that, some dirt hung up in there. That shit cleaned out.
There it is.
There it is. Then we got these lines right here. You should just be able to push in on them. Quick disconnects. Titan fuel tanks. How about that in comparison, guys? That's definitely a lot bigger tank compared to that little puny thing.
Or a bit.
So we're gonna do a little transfer over on the fuel sending unit, the hoses, the vents, all that good stuff. Read the instructions, obviously, but we're gonna make it happen. So here we go. All right, guys, got it cleaned up at the parts washer over there. It's just because this thing was extra dirty. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done it. But you know, can of brake fluid and a good rag and get everything all cleaned up, make sure there's no sealing issues around this top piece. That we don't have diesel sloshing out later. Anytime you get a new tank, always make sure there's no debris, no plastic, dirt, anything inside. A lot of times manufacturing, when they cut holes, there will be stuff that will drop in. And they do their best to clean them out, but let's face it, a lot of times you can't get everything out. And being it's common rail diesel, we don't want anything up in that rail. Even to the filters is bad. So if you minimize that, that's 100%. So get ready to drop the sending unit in and get that bolted in. We'll be good to go. We got torque up to 20 foot-pounds. Use torque wrench. Don't guess. Don't use a ratchet. Let's do this right. You don't want to pull this thing out again. This thing's huge. Alright, so we put it on the training jack, slid it out of the truck, and we just jacked it up in place, connected the lines. Everything went together real nice. Got the vent hose and the fuel feed hose through the frame rail up top, connected the electrical connector, the two feed or the engine feed and return, and now we're just getting ready to put the new oversized straps in place, get them in. They got these nice rubber insulators here that should protect the tank and strap from making contact and wearing a hole. So there we go.